Home to one of the tallest working windmills in the United States, Pella provides a taste of Amsterdam in the middle of Iowa. Immigrants from the Netherlands founded Pella in the mid-1800s. It was virgin prairie land at the time. Now a city of 10,000, the people of Pella haven't forgotten about their heritage. Take this large plaza, for example. It was built to replicate an authentic Dutch canal. The plaza opened in 2001 and includes a movie theater, a hotel, restaurants, stores, condos, and office space. There's even a working drawbridge spanning this crystal clear water. The Vermeer Windmill and Historical Village are right across the street. The 124-foot-tall mill was designed and built in the Netherlands, then deassembled, shipped to Iowa, and reconstructed in Pella. The historical village consists of 22 buildings, perhaps the most notable being the boyhood home of Wyatt Earp, a notorious lawman and gambler. The historical village also has a blacksmith shop, church, bakery, sod house, plus a meat and cheese shop. While visiting Pella, I ate dinner at Liberty Street Kitchen, which is along the man-made canal. I ordered the grilled chicken sandwich, which had honey, sriracha glaze, and pickled vegetables with sautéed Brussels sprouts on the side. For dessert, I stopped into the Jarsma Bakery. It's been open for 125 years. The founder brought his beloved recipes from Holland to Iowa. His great-granddaughter and her husband now own and operate Jarsma, baking dozens of options from scratch. Every May, the city celebrates its Dutch heritage during Pella Tulip Time. The three-day festival involves a parade, authentic food, dance performances, and a lot of people in Dutch clothing. Pella is also home to a luxury window and door manufacturer. Founded in 1925, Pella Corporation employs 10,000 people nationwide. It's a major economic driver for the city. All of this being said, Pella's pride for the motherland did stop short of replicating Amsterdam's famed red light district. This is small-town America, after all. From the very Dutch-looking city of Pella, Iowa, I'm Kevin, across America.